Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C3 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So firstly we have to enter the Play Store and let's do it simply. What's more, make sure that you've got the internet connection because obviously it is required. So here we can tap on this 3 bars icon in the left upper corner and here let's tap on My Apps and Games. And as you can see, your device is checking for updates, and here we've got the full list of apps which can be updated. And obviously you can update all of them just by tapping on this green button, but if you'd like to update only one of it or two of them, all you have to do is simply find it in the list. So let me update, for example, Google Drive, and all you have to do is to tap on the update right next to it. As you can see, it immediately appears on the very top of the list. Right now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually that's all you have to do in order to update apps in your REALME C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.